Okay guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Tommy. In this video tutorial, we're going to build a simple Python program which detects if a user is a robot or not. How we're going to do that is we're going to tell the user to perform a specific task. If the user performs the task well, then the user is not a robot. Well, if the user fails to perform the simple task, then the user is a robot. So to do that, let's just go straight into that. Let's first print to the screen, print to the user. We'll print the user 4 plus 4. Now we are asking the user to perform this simple arithmetic. Then we expect the user to give us 8. If the user gives us 8, the user is a human being. But if he doesn't give us 8, the user is a robot. Then let's give it an input. Let's give it a name. Let's first give it a variable. Name it answer. Let's give that variable an input function. And let's say you enter your answer. Now we expect the answer to be 8. Then we'll say if answer is equals to 8. Then we'll print to the user, hooray, we passed. But if the user doesn't answer, that's else, we print to the user, sorry, access denied. This is what it does. In this place, let's first print something like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Let's change this one to perform the arithmetic below. Perform the arithmetic below. If I'm not wrong in the spelling of arithmetic, I'm not sure. Let's leave it like that. Now, once the user performs the arithmetic below, it should print this arithmetic 4 plus 4. Then it will tell the user to input his answer. Then if the answer is equal to 8, we tell the user where you passed. If it's not equal to 8, we say sorry, access denied. That should be the work. Now let's run it. Now it says perform the arithmetic below. 4 plus 4. Now we say 8. It says sorry, access denied. Now there's a problem there's a bug in our code. First of all, let's run it again to check. Okay. What should I? Let me say 8. It says sorry, access denied. The reason for this is because we didn't convert this answer to an integer. And let's just do that. Anytime we are working with arithmetic math function, we must convert whatever we are using to an integer. When we run this, it should give us what we want. Now say 8. It said hooray, you passed. The bug there was that we didn't convert it to an integer. So what it was expecting was 44. Anytime you don't convert something to an integer and you do something like 4 plus 4, it gives you 44. I hope you just understand what I'm trying to say. But now let's run this program again and let's put something other than 8. Let's put something like 5 here. It says sorry, access denied. That's simply it. That's all I want to show you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you understood. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button and please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I drop new videos. And if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer all questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.